Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to use any app on Apple CarPlay with this full guide. Normally, CarPlay only supports a limited set of apps like Maps, Spotify, or Messages, but with a workaround, you can unlock almost any app on your iPhone to display on your car screen. The most popular way is by using CarBridge or NGX Play, which lets you mirror apps like YouTube, Netflix, or even social media directly onto CarPlay. To do this, download and install the tool on your iPhone, connect your phone to your car via USB or wireless CarPlay, then launch the app and select which iPhone apps you want to appear. After that, they'll show up in your CarPlay menu just like native apps. Just a heads up, these are third party methods, so make sure you download from trusted sources and keep in mind they're best used when parked for safety reasons. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.